Since 1980, Murat Teknik Otomat Industry and Trading Corporation has continued to provide service for its customers with precision machining, dimensional tolerances, and particle cleaning criteria by using high production technologies in a strategic partnership manner. The parts we produce are mainly used in the products of leading companies in the automotive and white goods sectors such as Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, Bosch, Valeo, Delphi, Nobel Otomotiv, Kale Oto Radyatör, and Beko-Arçelik. Having carried out the first exportation to Germany in 1987, our company performed the first production and injector systems for Bursa BOSCH Company in 1990. Being a global strategic partner of the customers by attaching high importance to quality, cost, and delivery, we perform exportation to Germany, Japan, China, USA, Czech Republic, India, Brazil, Romania, and many other countries today. Our company proceeds on its way with the philosophy of quality and social responsibility first, by receiving quality certifications, QS 9000 in 2000, ISO TS 16949 in 2004, OSAS 18001, and ISO 14001 in 2013. Our company is a red pioneer in the sector and developed its own automation systems by establishing R&D center in order to realize its own patent studies and to create added value on customer expectations. Besides that, it also offers service and system solutions together with the products it produces in a lean production approach. Murat Teknik Otomat Industry and Trading Corporation will continue to make a difference as a corporate company. With its first day enthusiasm for the sake of its business excellence.